I'm Paul Brown with Loudoun County Government in Loudoun County, Virginia, and I'm a division manager that handles the capital improvement and building program for the county. In Loudoun County, we have a 6-year capital improvement program between county government and schools that totals about $1.4 billion. On the county side right now, we're managing about $600 million worth of capital projects that have the wide range of public facilities, from public safety such as fire stations and police stations to community parks, libraries, and general government office space, as well as courts. So we have the wide gamut of all the kinds of public facilities that support public service to the citizens of Loudoun County. Loudoun County is one of the fastest growing counties in the country, and because of that, a lot of the public facility infrastructure was not in place. And about 6 years ago, the county formed a Department of Construction to be able to respond to the public facility needs in the community. And over the first 3 years of that, everything was done by paper. And quickly the organization realized we were drowning in paper. All of our processes were paper, and people's desks were covered in paper. And we realized there has to be a better way to do this. So a team of staff were put together to go out and examine the public software that could maybe help us create more efficiencies and help our work processes. And in that evaluation, EBuilder was the software that thought like an owner. And that's the primary reason that we explored EBuilder and its functionality before we made a decision was, oh, we finally found someone who thinks like an owner. We have moved and decided that any projects that we had going, we weren't going to try to go back and capture all the past history of projects we had done, but any project that was either starting a design phase or starting a construction phase, we would implement in EBuilder. And the first year we have focused on staff getting proficient. And as we interviewed other organizations for references on EBuilder, the one prime question that we asked that was very important to us is, how quickly could your staff become users in EBuilder? Almost every one of the users that we've talked to said within 35 to 40 days their staff were proficient in EBuilder, and that was a big sell for us, and we came to find that that was true. Some of the modules that we have found very helpful to us are document management. We needed a central repository with a good file structure to ensure that all of our documents from the beginning of a project to the end were in one repository for all the users to be able to access. The budgeting and cost management modules for EBuilder have been very helpful for us because we have multiple funding sources and very complex budgets, and it's allowed us to report out and provide accurate information to the decision makers who want to know the status of projects. Workflow processing was very exciting. To have the flexibility in that module to program how our processes work as it integrates with our financial processes and our procurement processes in our county, the workflow enabled us to mirror what needed to be done and move processes along with accountability, because now we know who has to sign off on what, and we have very definable days in which that review has to take place, so it's improved performance and turnaround. And lastly, it's really reduced the amount of paper moving from people's desks. We are now going completely to electronic documents, and we actually have a cleaner office because of that. What we've really been excited about is the technical support that EBuilder provides to us as customers. They have a really neat feature that's the thumbs up, like it, or thumbs down, dislike function in the in the software that allows you to give immediate feedback as a user about things that work for you and don't work for you. We've been a little amazed at how quickly we get called back from the technical consultants when we dislike something. We're even more amazed that sometimes within a week to 3 months, what was bothering us gets fixed, because I guess the whole community of EBuilder users, where there's more feedback from all the users that they want some changes, EBuilder is very responsive and makes those changes pretty quickly.